Okay, so here is chapter 7, lesson 2, day 2, and segment 2. Here we go. Talking about identifying different types of sentences.
Use the light blue box to identify different types of sentences. Directions. Identify each type of sentence by writing the correct label in the blank. Labels: S for simple sentence, SCS for simple sentence with a compound subject, SCV for simple sentence with a compound verb, and CD for compound sentence. Let's read the sentences together, please. We'll begin with number 1. I played with my hamster, but I forgot to shut the door. Number 1 is a compound sentence. Did you recognize the comma and coordinate conjunction that have been added to this sentence to make it a compound sentence? Be on the lookout, because sometimes certain punctuation can give you the answer to what type of sentence you're working with. Sentence 2. I looked everywhere for my missing hamster. Sentence 2 is a simple sentence.
Okay, I'm going to back up really quickly to sentence 1. You have two independent clauses. They didn't go over that at all, but I think I just want to note those quickly. So the first clause in the sentence, I played with my hamster. That could be an independent sentence all by itself. You could put a period after hamster and be done with it. You add to it by putting a comma and a coordinating conjunction, and then you have another independent clause. I forgot to shut the door. You combine those two to get one sentence using that conjunction and the comma. Okay? So now on to number 3. Sorry about that.
Sentence 3. Mom and I searched for the hamster in the kitchen. Sentence 3 is a simple sentence with a compound subject. It's easy to see that this simple sentence has a compound subject, Mom and I. Sentence 4. I looked upstairs. My brother looked downstairs. This is a compound sentence. Right away, I can tell by the punctuation that is used that this is a compound sentence.
Okay, and that is a really good point. If you see a semicolon, you know you've got a compound sentence, so you label that CD. Okay?
This compound sentence uses a semicolon to join two independent clauses that are closely related. Sentence 5. My dad looked for the hamster and found it in his closet. Sentence 5 is a simple sentence with a compound verb. The compound verb in this sentence is looked and found. Pay close attention to the student tip to learn more about compound sentences. Number 1. The semicolon is a punctuation mark that is half comma and half period. It is stronger than a comma, but not as strong as a period. Number 2. And, or, and but are the only words that are always coordinate conjunctions. The words for, nor, so, and yet are sometimes used as coordinate conjunctions, but they are usually prepositions or other connective words. To help you remember all of the words that can be coordinate conjunctions, learn the acronym FANBOYS: for, and, nor, but, or, yet, so. Now you will learn how to identify and correct common mistakes made when writing compound sentences. Reference 104 teaches us about comma splices and run-on sentences.
Okay, so we're going to use that as a transition into the next and the last segment. Okay? So we're going to stop this and we'll pick back up with reference 104. And I will also make a copy of reference 104 to go into the notes for today. I don't know if you're using the notes, but they're there to help you. Okay. Okay, so down, click on, you'll see that they'll